As the growing season progresses, farmers are keeping a close eye on the weather. And with recent volatility in the markets, many are now looking for guidance when it comes to crop insurance claims. Brooks York with AgriSompo joins us now for an update. Brooks, thank you so much for being with us. Now, Illinois is always a vital state for corn production. What are you seeing in regards to claims and some general conditions across that state?
You know, Tammy, we got off to a really good start. There weren't a lot of prevent plant or replant claims in Illinois. In fact, soybeans were planted about 10 to 14 days earlier than average across the state. In May, though, we hit the skids. Prices were low, which factors into claims. Also, a dry spell came across Illinois. But really, over the last 3 weeks, with the start of that derecho 3 weeks ago, really, we've had good rain. So it's going to be really, really tough for Illinois to see trendline corn yields. I think they're going to be below. But I think in regards to the number of claims that we were anticipating, they're significantly less today than they were 3 weeks ago. The verdict's still out on soybeans a bit.
Okay, a lot to watch there. So now most believe yields to be the driving factor in crop insurance claims. However, price plays a big role in the process too. So how's the recent futures volatility affected potential claims?
Well, the last 2 weeks have been really good for farmers. It puts more money in their pocket. Of course, when you get an insurance claim, it's because revenue thresholds have been exceeded to the downside. And back in May, we saw soybeans, November soybeans, which a lot of our policies are based upon, down about $2 from where we're at right now. So just in the soybean price alone, it certainly looks like that lessens the degree of claims, puts more money in the farmer's pocket when it comes to selling a crop. So again, in May, looking for a larger number of claims come this fall. Today, looking less and less every day.
Now, many crop insurance policies provide confidence for farmers to market a crop when they see opportunities. So what are some general thoughts on marketing bushels in the current environment in your final 30 seconds here?
You know, Tammy, this is a tough one for farmers because it's hard to really trust a policy to make those marketing decisions when they want to see it produced in the field first. But when we see prices come up like we have in soybeans, and you have to turn that crop into cash, in some cases in 70 to the next 120 days, you really need to take a look at capturing these opportunities. So specifically on soybeans, $14 November futures, we're in that ballpark right now. Certainly not a bad time to maybe let some of those go, or at least put some floors on through some advanced products that are out there that allow some upside down the road.
Good advice. That's AgriSompo Producer Services Director Brooks York. Appreciate your time today.